Who are you all? Would you please say something about you? I am an apple. I am red in color. I am round in shape. I am very good for health. I keep the doctor away. I am
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
good, sweet, thank you. I am mango. I am yellow and green in color. Very tasty and sweet. Use for juice.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I am king of all fruits. Thank you.
ಇವನ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I am strawberry. I am red in color. I am very beautiful. I am very sweet. I am papaya. I am long in shape. I am in green and orange color. I am very tasty and sweet. I am very good for health of eyes. Thank you. I am grape. I am in green color. I have one tongue. I am tasty and sweet and thank you.
And ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I am banana. I am long in shape. I am yellow color. I am sweet and tasty. I have peace. Thank you. I am guava. I am round in shape. I am green in color. I am very tasty and sweet. We should eat daily. Thank you.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಂ.
I am an orange. I am round in shape. I am orange in color. I use it for juice. I am good for health. I am very sweet and tasty. Thank you. I am watermelon. I am green in color. I am red in inner side. I have black seeds. I am very cute and tasty. I use it for juice. Thank you.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಬೇಗ ಕಲಿತೆ.
Oh nice. Thank you all for your information.
ಹಾಂ.